the holiday sangria. Woohoo! Okay, holiday sangria. If you have been to Spain, all right, you're gonna love sangria. If you have been to Portugal, you're gonna love sangria. Now, but of course, the conventional European sangria is made of wine, red wine. Tonight, we're not going to be using red wine. We're going to be using a different alternative, but it is tasting almost or as good or better than the conventional alcoholic sangria. Alright, so for all of us who are non-alcoholic, you're going to love this. For our Muslim friends, right, this is amazing because this has no alcohol. So sangria is not a dessert. Sangria is a drink that is served in most of the restaurants. If you were to go to Spain, or Portugal, right? Most people take it during meals, or some take it after meals, all right? So it comes in a very big jug, okay? This incredible sangria that I'm giving you, it doesn't only taste great for parties, and it's an amazing way for all age to enjoy. Now, let me give you some of the health benefits here. The health benefits here is that this incredible, concoction, right? This party drink, it's filled with vitamin C, all right? So it's good for immunity, it is good for flu, and on top of it, it is also good for hot weather, especially when you are dehydrated, all right? So these are the amazing benefits for your body and also for your skin. There are a few rules, okay? So rule number 1 is make sure that always use the ingredient with the most water. Juice the ingredient with the least water and the one with the most water at the end. Now, but if you look at all the ingredients here tonight, good news. You can use any ingredients you like. There's no sequence here because literally every ingredient here contains a lot of water, right? So rule number 1 is an exception here tonight. Number 2 is that when you're making your sangria, make sure that it is fine. For all my cold press juices, right, that I teach all our Reviver members and Mark Leong Club members, I never use a sieve. If you notice that, I want my microfiber to be in my juices. Why? Because the microfibers basically help your body to slow down the absorption of glucose. All right, there's another filtered layer here. Okay, because end of the day, I know some of you say, Mark, but you always tell us that juicing is healthy. It has literally very low sugar. Yes, it is, but I also want you to make sure that you have microfiber so that the absorption of the sugar is slower. Okay, now, but for sangria, I want it to be very smooth. So what I use is I use a sieve. This is to filter off the pulp. Rule number 3 in making sangria: fresh ingredients. Never use any form of dry ingredients to add in here, okay? It's supposed to be refreshing. Everything here is fresh. If you're gonna make this in advance, okay, never mix the sparkling water or the soda water with the juices, right? Don't mix them first. You only mix them when you're about to serve them. Because the moment when you mix them or when you open it, you lose, right, all the popping effect, all right? So you want to keep that gas in it. Otherwise, your sangria is not going to be that nice if you lose that gassy part. You can juice all of the ingredients, the 5 ingredients that I shared with you in advance, but you want to only consume it within 24 hours. So you can't juice it now and you use them tomorrow. Why? Because it oxidizes. That's number 1. Number 2, the color is not going to be fantastic and the taste is going to be weird. All right. So you want to be juicing and consuming it within 24 hours. So, for example, if you got a party tonight, you can juice this in the morning, all right, and you can keep it until the night. But don't juice it tonight and you serve tomorrow night or tomorrow afternoon. It won't be that tasty. Always keep your sparkling water refrigerated. It's supposed to be cold. This drink has to be drank cold. If it's not cold, it's not nice. It's not nice, right? So I will only add in the sparkling water when I'm about to serve. Okay? So these are the very important rules to take note of. 3, 2, 1, and boom!